In this video, I'm going to show you how to reach more local Blantyre peaks. For more details, check it out. We start with Chiradzulu. This is a difficult but not dangerous hike. The trailhead is at the Lisawo Primary School and Church. Chiradzulu is a forest reserve without a forest, and what little wood remains is in constant demand. The central peak is a large boulder. The other less prominent points are to the west and to the east. There are a number of trails to the top. It takes around 3.5 hours to reach the top. Our next stop is the Zomba Plateau. The highest point is Maluma Peak. The plateau is a forest reserve with lots of easy walking trails.
Is this a rock?
Yeah. Track time to reach the top from the Sunbird parking area is 2 hours.
Oh, I see clouds moving in. How come clouds always move into a summit when I'm approaching it?
The BRAC Guide has the best route maps of the area. This is a good loop day hike that I recommend. Here are some other sites to visit. But don't forget that in Malawi, trees are always under attack. And Mulanje also offers some good day hikes to waterfalls, pools, and tea plantations along the base. The most popular spot is the Likhabula Falls, a 3/4 hour easy walk from the park gate. Guide not required. And the less popular but even easier spot is the Mbiya pools.